Avoid the doghouse this Valentine's Day in 3 simple steps. Hey there, have you ever forgotten a special date of a loved one? Ever landed in the doghouse for it? Reminded yearly how much that you suck at remembering special dates or gifts? Most have. Well, this is your ultimate reminder. Don't worry, we've got your back. So here is how to avoid ending up in the doghouse this Valentine's Day or any special day for that matter. In 3 steps, you're going to be on track. So here's what you do. Step 1, you grab your spot on the 1 in a million globe. This is an online globe that allows your loved one a special place on the globe. It's a one-time slot that nobody can replace, and your special someone will be forever celebrated, commemorated or remembered. You simply add in their name, their location and a thoughtful message. We then place them on the globe ready for viewing, but it doesn't just stop there. We have a certificate ready for you to present to them. This leads us to step 2. You then print off your easy to download PDF and frame it for the big day. You don't have to stop there. You can even email it or send it any different way that you like. Step 3 is as simple as this. You present it to your loved one. It's a quick and simple effort. No time wasted, no expense spared. It's a thoughtful, meaningful and nice way to show people that you care about, that they're 1 in a million. Get in the good books for any special occasion, and you can do this in minutes and have your ready to go Valentine's Day solution.